Hey, what's up guys? Paul here and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna be diving into the heart of my creative arsenal, giving you a sneak peek into the powerhouse that fuels my content. So, buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive into what's in my camera bag for 2024 right now. Alright, so first on the list is this one. The Peter McKinnon Nomadic Sling. Not just a bag, but a masterpiece in travel efficiency. The compact design is, of course, a game changer for creators on the move. Now, what sets it apart for me are these, the straps. The thick, padded straps, which ensure comfort during those long shooting sessions. And of course, let's not forget the quick access compartments. Alright. It's a lifesaver for grabbing that camera in the blink of an eye. And speaking of cameras, enter my newest love affair, the Pentax K1000. Embracing the world of course, film photography. This thing, it's not just a camera, but it's a journey. Now, you may ask, why film? Beyond the nostalgia, of course, it forces me to savor every shot, contemplate on my composition, and experience the thrill of not knowing whatever each frame will turn out. The process becomes the crucial part of storytelling itself. Fueling my addiction is the Kodak Color Plus. Kodak Color Plus 200 ASA. I'm just hooked with the color cast that it adds to every photo, leaning towards the warm side. And here's a pro tip for you. 800 pesos per roll, 36 shots, Shopee. You won't regret it, okay? On to the next one. Let's dive into audio excellence with the Rode Wireless Go microphone. This is a discrete device and it's a game changer, eliminating the need for bulky receiver. Its built-in storage allows me to record audio independently, syncing seamlessly in post-production. And with its long battery life, it's a reliable companion for those lengthy shooting sessions. Now, let's talk about my pocket-sized powerhouse, the Pixel 6 Pro. Perfect for capturing spontaneous moments. It seamlessly fits into the Nomadic Sling pocket, ensuring that I never miss a beat. Quick tip: while it excels in short bursts of video, keep an eye on the heat for those extended recording sessions. Another camera, my Insta360X2. My trusty sidekick for vlogging adventures. Why? It's not just about capturing what's in front of me. It's about exploring unique angles. The intuitive controls make it a breeze to use, ensuring I can focus more on the content, not the gear. And the real magic, it's a game changer for action shots. Perfect for showcasing my freediving and biking activities in a whole new light. Now, with the Insta360X2, of course, you need a selfie stick, an invisible selfie stick, which is my 3-meter selfie stick. It's not just about length, but it's about creating shots that elevate your content. Imagine your 360 camera following you as if there's a professional crew capturing every move. That is the magic of this stealthy companion brings to the table. For organizational enthusiasts, this is for you. The Nomadic wallet is a must-have. So beyond storing those cash and cards, it ensures a quick and easy access. Small details, but you know, as they say, the devil is in the details, right? For the cherry on top, this 100 peso perfume bottle from Shopee. Why? Because smelling good is essential when you are creating content all day. Like I said, it's the little details that adds up to the overall experience of both the creator and the audience. Right? So there you have it, folks. An in-depth look into the arsenal that fuels my creative journey right now in 2024. So if you found value in this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more content like this. So keep creating, stay inspired. Let's all learn, create, and share. Peace out.